Hey friends, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I am not a morning person. I really try and set myself up in the mornings to function like a human. Like, I'm still keeping up with pajama yoga, and that definitely does help to wake me up to a certain extent. And then you gotta have the coffee, but still, ugh. So we're gonna do another follow me around in whatever the heck I'm gonna do today type video. I don't necessarily have any firm plans in place for what I'm gonna be doing. It's a pandemic, there are not a lot of options available, but let's just see where the day takes us. I need to turn you off right now because it's still too early for me to converse with anyone, okay? I love you, but I can't talk right now. Ta-da! So you have to excuse all the mess of just hobbycraft bags and crafting stuff everywhere. But okay, and also the slippers. Ignore the slippers. But is this a look? There's a genuine question. Is it a look? Like, does this go? Is this a thing? I'm fashionably challenged, but I feel like this is an outfit. I mean, with shoes, obviously. I don't think the scrunchie really adds anything, but I don't want to do my hair today. And now I am officially all dressed up with nowhere to go. I might have to pop into town actually. As much as I don't want to go out into the world with all the germs, I do need to pick up a couple things for Christmas gifts for people. I ordered, okay, well done me. I ordered pretty much all of my Christmas gifts yesterday. Pretty much 99% of them came from Etsy. When they come, I'm going to show them to you because I think they're good. But there are a few things I want to like make for people with my Cricut machine. So I need to go and pick up some glasses and some mugs and stuff so they can have a DIY Christmas gift. So I might have to go and do that. But trying to think of things to do during a global pandemic. How many months in are we? It's been a long time. I'm running out of ideas to just like fill up my day and just keep myself entertained and sane. But we'll make it work. We've got this. We will do this. I will keep you entertained. Ooh! What have I done? Did I just stall the automatic car?
Can't stall an automatic.
Okay, so we're on an adventure. Although not really, because we're just popping to town to get a few festive related bits. I'm going with my mom, who does not want to be on YouTube, so she is manning the camera. You want to say hi, Mom?
Hello.
She's there.
I'm here.
Can't see her, but she's there. I have a couple of things I want to drop off at the charity shop from a recent declutter. We need to get some photo gifts printed at the print shop and then pick up those glasses, and then maybe when I get home I can try out my Cricut machine again and see if I can get those glasses looking jazzy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing super exciting. But during a global pandemic, you gotta take what you can get. So we just got back from running our errands and I picked up some fun stuff to try and experiment with my new Cricut machine. I got some little mixer glasses, some gin glasses. I also got some champagne flutes that are all wrapped up in here. And then I just got some packaging bits and pieces, like more twine and envelopes to package up my Etsy orders. Oh, I can show you the Christmas bauble I made yesterday. Oh, I'm sorry. These vlogs are becoming very Cricut heavy, but like this is just my life now. So this is the little bauble I made yesterday with my Cricut machine. Baby, it's COVID outside. I like it. I think it's cute. Okay, so I am watching Bailey Sarian and also prepping Christmas gifts. So I'm gonna try putting some vinyl onto one of these glasses. I got a bunch of gin glasses, and for my sister-in-law I'm going to make her a gift set. I bought her a bunch of those little what is that called? The tiny little bottles of alcohol. Is there miniatures? Is that what? Miniatures. Miniatures of gin. I bought her tiny little bottles of gin in lots of different flavors. So I want to personalize a wine glass for her. And I've got her name and then her star sign. She's an Aquarius. And she's into astrology. So I thought that would be nice on this fancy pants, rose gold, shiny vinyl. I know literally nothing about this. I have no idea what I'm doing. let's just hope for the best, and that's all. Okay, that took literally hours. So it didn't work out the way that I had in my head. In my head, I wanted to have her name and then her star sign right underneath. And it became very apparent that this was a terrible project to choose, especially as like a first project. The constellation, it is so thin and it's just really thin lines, and so trying to cut that out of the vinyl and then stick it on straight was really hard, and I ended up having to make it bigger, and then math is hard, so it didn't all fit on the front. So I'm a bit concerned it looks weird because I put her name up high, so with the intention of putting the star sign underneath, but I ended up having to put it on the back. I don't know. I look at it and I think there are a lot of things I would change, but it's still cute, and if someone gave this to me as a gift, I'd be like, oh, glam. But it took forever and like half a pack of vinyl. I made a lot of mistakes, a lot of very expensive mistakes, because Cricut vinyl, not cheap. And it's also just stuck to me everywhere now. So yeah, I had intended on making cookies tonight, but then I spent so much time doing that now I just have about enough time to edit this video, get it up for you guys, and then go to bed. So I guess this is it until tomorrow anyway. But thank you guys so much for joining me for Vlogmas today. I hope you enjoyed. It was fun to have you follow me around in another day in this weird world we live in. Until next time, thank you guys so much. Remember that I love you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.